A naked mattress never sold a dream bedroom. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to dress a bed so beautifully that you sell the frame, the mattress, and every layer on top. Step 1. A foundational fitted sheet is the first step to selling your customers their vision to their dream bedroom. Step 2, our hero layer. You can choose a comforter or a duvet. Each has its benefits. A comforter being that it's simple and easy to use, and a duvet is easy to wash. Here, we've chosen a comforter layer of our washed wall. Step 3, our quilt layer. Adds a little bit of texture, color, and weight to the bed. Here we have our stone-washed cotton velvet in mocha. It's a cotton velvet, sleeps beautifully and really durable. Step 4, our pillow story. Up front, we have our long, lean lumbar here with all the beautiful fringe. It's a great statement piece to add at the very front of the bed. Followed by our standard shams that coordinate with our quilt set. Then our patterned standard shams that coordinate with a layer we'll get to here in a moment. At the very back, we have our Dutch Euro. You'll notice size-wise, we're going biggest to smallest because it adds that beautiful layering, raking technique. Step 5, the personality layer. We add a pattern. Here we have Genoa on our printed washed linen. It layers in really nicely with our solids. Step 6, a textured topper. I like adding this linen cotton throw. It accentuates the beautiful cotton velvet. And one more touch, a karate chop, just to add that little bit of detail. Always finish with a quick steam. Just a couple passes really close to the fabric knocks out any of the wrinkles and makes that bed top even more appealing. Let's talk results. Top of bed can only help multiply your furniture and mattress sales. One way to show all three is to dress half the bed. This allows customers to lay on the mattress, give it a try. Meanwhile, they can also see the entire vision of what their beautiful bedroom could be. 6 layers, unlimited upsell potential. For SKU lists, staff training, or bulk pricing, scan the QR code or call your HiEnd Accents rep. Dress the bed, sell the dream. Happy merchandising.